Hi, everybody. Now that we've taken notes on the midpoint and distance formula, we're going to do some practice. So this paper should be pasted in on page 118 of your notebook. You should just have stapled it on like the top edge or glued it just on the top edge so that you're still able to get to both sides of the paper. Your work, you'll notice that if you look at the actual problems down here, there's not enough space to do your work on this page. So you're going to do your work either on the underneath on page 118 or on the next page on 119. For the 10 problems that are here, there should be plenty of space between those two pages of your notebook. This is going to be, you're going to start this today, and we're going to finish it tomorrow in class. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Everything is more fun with zombies, so here we go. The zombie apocalypse has arrived, and only your amazing math skills can save you now. You're currently hiding underneath your desk, planning your escape. If you can correctly calculate some midpoints and distances, you just might live. Okay, so if we look at the problems on here, let's look and see the first one. It says, from your hiding spot, you see the zombie lunch lady. How far away from you is she? Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is you need to actually come up and find the coordinates for each of these zombies and you. So let's start with you. You're right here on the page. See, that's you right there. So let's take a look and see what points those are. What you might want to do is label your axes here. So if we notice like here, it might help you to put tick marks every 5 or so that you can count a little more easily. 5, 10, 15, 20, and do this on each of your axes, right? So here we go, and we'll have 5, 10, 15, and let's see, -5, -10, -15, -20. If you notice, this is going to make it a lot easier for us to get the coordinates of each of these zombies. Okay, so number one, from your hiding spot. So let's figure out the coordinates that you're at. So if we go here, we look, this looks like it is -17, comma. So remember, you always do the x-axis first. This is your x. Your y is your horizontal axis. So -17, comma, -5. So that's your coordinates. So you're going to find the distance between you at -17, -5. To the zombie lunch lady. So if we find the zombie lunch lady is this lady right here, and we look at the dot, right? Look at the dot. It's not the lunch lady herself, but that little dot right next to her. That's going to be our coordinate. So we're going to look, and that looks like that's -5, 10, 15, 20, -21, comma 1. So you're going to use the distance formula to find the distance between these 2 points, -17, -5, and -21, comma 1. I'm not going to do that part for you. I think you can do that. But that's how you're going to solve it. You've got 2 points. You're going to label them x1, y1, x2, y2, and you're going to plug them into the distance formula. Let's look at the next problem. So number 2 says, across the room are your 2 best friends, Sarah and John. Laying at the exact midpoint between them is the perfect zombie killing potion. Unfortunately, Sarah and John have both developed a taste for brains, so they won't be much help. What are the coordinates of the zombie killing potion? Okay, so for this one, we've got to find Sarah. Let's see, and John. So it looks like there's Sarah right up here. This is her. Here's her little point. And John, where does John go? let's see, John's holding some school books. Here's John right here. So let's again find their coordinates. So Sarah's coordinates, if we look here, this looks like she is at 18, comma, let's see, and I didn't put a mark for, there's 20, 22, 18, comma, 20, 22. And it looks like John is at -4, comma, -6. And for this one, you'll notice they want the midpoint. So instead of using the formula for distance, you're going to use the formula for midpoint, right? Make sure you're so how far away, that means a distance. Find the exact midpoint, that means your answer is going to be an XY coordinate, an ordered pair, right? This one, when you find the distances, remember that you're going to label them in feet. It tells us that one box is 1 foot. It gives you your units. Remember, units matter. Okay, so that should give you a little help with how to get these guys started. Again, remember to make sure you show your work. This is going to be due at the end of class on Tuesday, so hopefully today you can get a good start on it. All right, good luck.